Hello, everyone, and welcome to what I'm going to call episode 1.5 of my beginner tutorial series. I decided to separate this into its own episode because this is technically speaking optional, but I'm really going to recommend that you do it. And going forward from here, I'm going to assume that you have this. What we are installing here is called MPT, the mood posing tool, which is essentially a new way to define the sprites of the girls in the code. When Dan did the original game, this feature still didn't exist in RenPy. It's called layered images. So Kronos redid all the sprites using the layered images, and it changes how you call the expressions, how you use the expressions in the game, and it changes how you add new outfits and new facial expressions. And it can be very useful if you want to grow your mod beyond just the original outfits that the girls have and add more expressions and so on. So let's just go ahead and install it. Like usual, I'm going to leave this link in the description of the video. And for now, all you need to do is download this zip here called DDLC MPT 1.01 Unpacked. And you wanna download this. And let's copy it, or cut it in this case, to our folder that has all our DDLC stuff. Let's unzip it. Here it is. And inside here, you want to copy just this folder here. You want to go into the folder, into game, into mod assets, and you want to copy just this folder called MPT. And if we go back to our project, we want to paste this folder in mod assets. And as for the installation, that's all we need. Now, you also want to download these 4 Word files. I'm also going to copy it into our modding folder and unzip it here. And I'm going to rename this MPT cheat sheet. And these are just Word files that have all the expressions listed so that you later you can reference this to know what codes, let's say it like this for now, correspond to each expression. And we are going to talk about this later. But for now, that's all that you need to do. MPT is installed. And in the next episode, we are actually getting into the code and start coding up some stuff. So see you there.